In this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade a OCCFL lamp to our UB54 Series LED backlight. This is a 10.4-inch NEC screen. The screen number is NL8060BC33-59. It has resolution 800 by 600. To upgrade to LED light, it's quite simple and easy. In fact, much easier than replacing the CCFL backlight lamps. You just get a flathead screwdriver, push down this plastic kit, and then you just push it down and slice out, and that's it. This one has dual lamp. This screen is so popular in all type of the industrial applications, and most of them will have a touch screen. See, when you surf this screen, let's put it that way, when the screen has problem, no display, usually it might cause the inverter. See, here's the inverter. Inverter is mounted on a different plate. This is the inverter. Usually the inverter is bad and the backlight lamp is bad. What causing this? Based on our VPA experience or our VPA history, usually the problem is original is caused by the lamp. The lamp, when that lamp gets old, it requires a higher supply voltage supplied by this inverter. It finally overloads inverter. So whenever you have a problem with this type of display, industrial application display, first thing you need to do, inverter and backlight lamp, they both must be replaced. If you just replace the inverter, it might last really short time, could be 1 month, 1 week, or could be a couple months, and then come back to you. So that's my recommendations. And my next recommendation would be, I would like to suggest that, if you have this type of screen have problems, you might just want to upgrade to the LED backlight kit, because our LED backlight kit comes with the converter to replace this existing inverters, and then LED strip is to replace this backlight lamp. So this kit we sell, for example, this kit is resale for $89.99. But if you try to upgrade try to replace CCFL and an inverter, the cost almost similar. For example, this is $89.99. If you buy lamp from us, inverter from us, is inverter resale for anywhere between $59.99 to $69.99 plus 2 lamps. Lamps $10 each. So it's almost the same this case. So why not go by LED? The picture is much brighter and the life of the backlight lamps much longer. Anyway, that's my suggestion. So when you pull it out, here we go. Pull it out, and then you're gonna just use a blade to cut off this tip, and then loosen up. See that? One end, and then this end. Push it. Now take it out. Sorry, take it out. So, and we don't need this. As we show you on every video, we always test our LED kit first. Well, this is actually a dual lamp, because we're still using one LED strip, because this is dual lamps mounted on one side. So it's not one on bottom, one on top. If that's the case, we have used dual LED kit. So this is a good thing, it's a dual lamp. You can mount single strip, mount inside of a reflectors. Okay. Well, let's test it first. And I have hooked up here. Well, because this is one LED strip kit, so you can connect to the LED strip on either side of the MS456 UB converter. This side or this side, doesn't matter. Okay, let's fire up. There we go. So LED lights up good. By the way, when you purchase LED kit from us, we already set the default for you. When you install LED backlight lamp, you can try a different combination. All these settings are available on the website. Okay, now get ready. Now we're gonna remove the double side tape. Double side tape cover actually, and then you're gonna put it in the middle of the reflector. And then use the flathead screwdriver, push it down, push it down, push it down. Make sure you make good contact. And we're gonna slice back. For the inverter, you can just mount it back to, for example, this example, you can mount back to this locations. And although this that dimension is slightly different, but we give you two adhesive plastic pole to mount it, or you can just find a way to mount it back, or you can just simply mount it back on the back of the screen. Either way, whichever is convenient for you. That's it. How easy it is, huh?